Hello guys, good evening. So today I have come to visit at Sagurdigi Park, and now I am walking along this street. We are two, me and my friend. As you can see, he is walking before me, and now we are going to sit in that place. In that place, we are going. So let's go today. I have come to visit just to spend some times. Okay. So see, this is good place, and weather is very good today, and I feel good, nice, nice place, wonderful. Coming here, I feel good now, and here is a tree, as you can see. Now he has already seated there, and also I will sit beside him. So right now I am going. He is sitting already here, and I want to sit beside him, and I will tell Mr. Ashish to say something. Mr. Ashish, say something in front of the camera.
আমরা এখন দিকের দিকে একটু
No, কাটা যাবে না, কারণ হচ্ছে কাটা যাবে না, একবারে নরমালি কথা বল, নরমালি, as you speak your mother tongue, means Bengali language, the same way you speak in front of camera without fear.
আমরা এখন সন্ধ্যাবেলা দিকে একটু ঘুরতে এসেছি দিকের দিকে, আর দিকের দিকে এসে এখন সাইডে দিকের ধারে এসে বসে রয়েছি কি থেকে।
So here I want to show you in front of the river, okay, river side. So see,
কম কালवा লাগছে।
and now it is Durga Puja, and Durga Puja is one. So tomorrow we will go to fair. Tomorrow, today, that's why we are not going to fair. So we have come to visit to this park. Okay, and we are sitting here, and we are spending sometimes sitting here because weather is very good, and we feel good. Also have we feel good also. Okay, that's why we shoot this video and how we are spending time after coming here. So that's what we are showing you. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, so please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you again in next videos.